In my country, every woman or girls only cooking. No boy want cook. In this type of situation in your country happen?
Actually, every woman can cook. Some boy or man, not that much. You know, it's not that much.
But in my country, all men are think cooking is the work of women, not the boy or yeah. It's thinking in my country. If any boy want to cook, so many people are laughing at him because they think cooking is the work for only women or girl. I
Yeah,
told you about
actually,
my country situation, not your country.
so in your country, women can work like men, like they can be like leadership or they can work outside.
Yeah, nowadays it's improving. So many girl or women working outside nowadays, especially garment factory. So many girls are work there.
Okay, great, great, great. In my country, women can cook, women can clean, and women can work. Yes, you can be whatever you want. You can be leadership, you can be president, you can do whatever you want.
In my country, also prime minister was lady. Your country, everything is good. I mean, work is good, facilities. In my country, not good situation at this moment. So many people want to go abroad for work. There is not enough job for ours. They not create enough opportunity for us. So now I want to know about your country situation.
Oh my God, I don't know how to say.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. Same here. My English also not
My
very
God.
good, but I'm trying. You also trying your best. So never upset, okay?
No, I'm trying my best. Yes, I can speak like a child, but something like but sometimes it's pretty tough for me.
No, no, it's not very tough. You have to confident. You can. You always thinking you can. And one day you definitely you can be a good English speaker. It's my belief. My English is also
Mm,
not very good, but my belief I'm a good English speaker and I am very much sure I have some confidence. It's helped me to
mm,
improve my English. If you think you can't speak, you that time you will be very nervous. That's why I telling you you have to patient and you have to confident. Never thinking I can't explain. It don't look like. I think you understand what I'm saying.
yes, I understand.
Which language do you speak? What's your native language?
We speak Laos and we can also speak Thai.
What
Lao
is
Thai.
the difference, Laos and Thai?
No, it's not that different. You know, it's similar. It's maybe 80%.
80%. It's look like Hindi and Urdu. It's very similar. Different but very
Yeah.
similar. Hindi and Urdu.
Mm-hmm.
It's different language, but it's very similar.
Yes,
It's like Thai and
Laos.
Laos. It's similar. Okay. So today I learned a new information. I know a new information.